Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through my interior cleaning routine. I take pride in keeping my car pristine, not only on the outside but also on the inside, and I'm going to show you how I do it and what products I use. So first and foremost, we have this Chemical Guys leather cleaner, and what I like to use this with is, especially when the seats are contaminated, although my seats are not that dirty, but I'm still going to show you how it works. I like to use it with this brush, and what's cool about this brush is you see it's got a little curve up here, so it's kind of easy to get to these sort of hard to reach places. I think it's a must-have if you want to keep your interior clean. And then once it dries out, we're going to use this leather conditioner with this applicator sponge. You can use all types of sponges. This is the one that I use. You could also use a microfiber sponge. And again, every single product that I use, I'm going to link it in the description for you. Okay, so starting with the driver's seat, what I like to do is I like to spray it. You might think it's a bit much, but trust me, it's not. And then you take the brush and you gently brush all the dirt out. See, and because of this design of this brush, you can really get into these hard to reach areas. And once I'm happy with the result, I take a microfiber towel and just wipe the surface as best as I can. What's cool about this product is it doesn't leave any shine. It preserves the leather's natural flat finish, which I really like. And just like with the top, we're gonna take the sprayer, spray the whole top seat. I'm not shy about using this product. Start from the top and massage those seats. So here we go. This is what it looks like after I clean the seats. If I had to pick only one product to use on my seats, it would be the cleaner, because again, the cleaner not only obviously cleans the seats, but it gives it a nice sort of dull finish. And if you actually run your hand through it, it feels like brand new leather straight from the factory. And on this side, I'm gonna give you a bit of a POV action. And I also found out that the cleaner works well on Alcantara because it's alcohol based. Again, all you have to do is just spray it, agitate it just a little bit, just to wake up the fibers, and then just wipe it. Whoops. It's gonna freshen it up quite a lot. And since we're in the cleaning mode, we can spray the steering wheel. And again, use the brush to agitate the fibers just a little bit. Then again, spray some on the microfiber towel and just move it up and down. And then once it dries, it'll look as good as new. All right, we're gonna do the door cards as well. Wipe it. Beautiful, look how clean it is. Okay, so I did all the door cards, obviously the steering wheel and the seats. First of all, check out this Alcantara armrest. See, it looks brand new. Simple method. Same thing with the steering wheel. It looks awesome. And then look at the seats. The seats are clean and they're ready for their conditioner. So now you grab this bottle and you want to shake it. It gets clumpy. And then what I like to do is, you might have a different method, but I just lay it on the seat, not next to these holes obviously, and I just rub it in. I like to use more of this product, and what's cool about it is it smells like BMW's original or new car smell. It's hard to describe, but once you smell it, you'll absolutely recognize the scent. And I like to give my bolster some extra love. And while we're here, we're also gonna use the same product on the leather portion of the wheel. And then if you have any excess, you just remove it with a microfiber towel. You might have some, so just rub everything in with a microfiber towel. And of course, let's finish the door cards. And we are done. Just take a look at it. The leather still has to dry for the next hour or two, but once it dries out, it's going to be nice and dull. And again, the leather feels like brand new leather straight from the factory, and it smells really, really cool. The steering wheel is looking new. The armrest is looking killer. Just look at it. Same thing with the shifter. Really, really good. So there you have it. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. Again, I linked everything that I used down in the description below, but there you have it. You got yourself a brand new looking interior that smells absolutely amazing. Let me know what you think about it. As always, give me a thumbs up perhaps, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. You see this? Sweat, as always. The things I do. I just love this car too much. All right, bye.